This transformation was hard for me, not because of the makeup, but because of what is required from me internally to reflect, to be honest with myself. The side of my right face represents light isn't perfection. Light is clarity. It's the part of me that chooses kindness, even after learning some painful lessons about people in life. Light is showing up when it would be easier to shut down. It's choosing grace in a world that often rewards hardness. Many of us watching this are grown. We have responsibilities, expectations, people depending on us. Some of us are holding families together quietly without applause. And yet we keep going. This light represents the version of me that still believes in doing what's right, even when it costs me patience. Light doesn't mean it means it refused to let hurt turn me bitter. This is the gentleness I earn. This light represents the version of me that keeps hope alive. Other days, light looks like getting up anyway. Some days light look like joy. Even when I'm tired, I am still enough. Light is my grace for the version of me that was just trying her best with what she knew at the time. This is the gentleness I guard, the compassion I refuse to lose, because choosing light in a dark world is strength in its own way. This side of my face represents strength, not physical power, but the kind of strength you build quietly. The strength that comes from being tested, from being doubted, from realizing that not everyone will understand your heart or your intentions. It's learning how to protect yourself without closing your heart, which I am learning every day, which is hard. There comes a moment in life when you realize you can't explain yourself to everyone. You have to decide who deserves access and who doesn't. Strength is choosing peace over proving a point. Choosing yourself even when it feels uncomfortable. As Black women, our strength is often misunderstood. We are praised for being resilient, but barely given space to rest. We are expected to carry everything and still smile. But real strength is allowing yourself to feel, feeling of being tired, that it's okay, no one's not perfect. To acknowledge that the weight you've been carrying has been a burden. Strength is setting boundaries, even when people call it distance. And it's also about respect. Even when they don't understand, I had to learn to protect my energy. Wasn't selfish. It was necessary for my strength. It's knowing when to speak up for myself and when to stay silent. It's understanding that every battle deserves your explanation, or your emotional labor comes with this strength. Didn't come from winning, but it comes from surviving, from choosing not to abandon ourselves when things become difficult. This side of my face represents power, and the power to remain grounded even when life tries to shake you. Strength is realizing that the growth will change how people see you and being okay with that. It's accepting that some people were only meant to know an early version of you, not the one you're becoming. Strength is letting go of the need to be understood by everyone, letting your actions speak and your silence to protect you. I had to learn that being strong doesn't mean explaining myself until I'm exhausted. It means trusting myself enough to walk away without needing permission. Strength is choosing peace, even when chaos feels familiar. It's learning that not every loss is a failure. Some losses are protection. This strength didn't come from being fearless. It came from moving forward while afraid, from showing up for myself even when no one else did, from learning that my worth is not measured by how much I endure, but how well I honor myself and respect myself. This is strength I stand in now, quiet, grounded, and unshakable, and I carry it with me not as an armor, but as an assignment and alignment. This transformation wasn't just about makeup, it was about growth. It was about learning how to protect your softness without losing your strength. If you saw yourself in any part of this, and if you're learning how to stand firm while still leaning with grace, then this is a series for grown women who are still becoming a mother, a daughter, a caregiver, women balancing life, responsibility, and healing and purpose. If you want more conversations like this, real, honest, and creative, make sure you subscribe, hype this video, and stay connected. Episode 2 is coming next, and we're going even deeper, because choosing light in a world full of pressure is power.